challenge. Trading toys for food. Traded. Quick trade. Quick trade. Tradable. It feels so adorable. Today, at fans' request, checking out Hefei's local brand Laoxiang G. Here, we enter the store for evidence. Evidence done, heading home stressed. I'm about to start showing off. Welcome. He can sense us noticing the color. Hello, so, I made a model of your store, and, is the manager here? I want to ask if I can trade this for food. What is this thing? Hello there? Are you the manager? Hello. This is a model I made earlier. I want to see if I can trade it for food, for a meal or something. Traded. Quick trade. Can be traded. It feels so adorable now. Wow, you're the elf from the official account? Wow, meeting you in person today. Oh my god, so cute. Also, Laoxiang G has a charity meal program. Usually, if you have any difficulties, just come and tell the staff. We'll give you a free meal. Oh, okay. Good, thank you very much. Well, yes. At night, use your phone light to shine down. Actually, looking inside is quite interesting. Inside, you see the TV and stuff. I made all of it for you. The stickers inside here. Look at the TV. Okay? Many details you made are exactly the same. The logo, where is it different? You see a special one. These are all the same. Thanks. Good. Thank you. Good. The soap opera is ending. Oh my, coffee time. Who wants to sleep now? Lullaby. Hush my little one. Don't you worry. A happy lullaby. Oh my,